There's a shift in the air this week, a quiet hum beneath the surface, a pulse of momentum that wasn't there before. Something is waking up. Maybe you felt stuck, circling the same thoughts, waiting for a sign that it's time to move forward. Maybe you've been sitting with a decision, unsure whether to push or pause. This week, you don't have to wonder anymore. The energy is shifting, the wheel is turning, and now life is calling you to step forward. With Mars moving direct, there's a fire reigniting within you. For weeks, maybe longer, you've been carrying something that felt heavy, slow, uncertain. A project, a relationship, a part of yourself that seemed stalled in limbo. But now something clicks. The hesitation dissolves. The next step becomes clear. But here's the thing. With clarity comes responsibility. You can no longer pretend you don't know what to do. You can no longer wait for someone else to decide for you. So ask yourself, where have I been hesitating? Where has fear held me back, even though I can feel the pull forward? This isn't about rushing. It's about recognizing when it's time to stop second-guessing and start trusting. Later this week, the new moon in Pisces arrives like a whisper in the night, gentle yet profound, subtle yet deeply felt. It's the kind of moment where you close your eyes and feel something shifting within, a quiet knowing, a deepening of intuition. You may feel called towards softness, towards reflection. Dreams may feel more vivid. Emotions may rise unannounced. You might find yourself longing for something you can't quite name. This isn't a week to force clarity. It's a week to listen to the space between your thoughts, to the feelings that don't have words, to the things you've been too distracted to notice. Consider this. If you could plant a seed for something new in your life, something deeply aligned with your soul, what would it be? Not what others expect, not what's logical or practical, but what feels right deep within your bones. Write it down, let it exist outside of you, and trust that even if you don't know how it will unfold, the path will reveal itself in time. In numerology, this week carries the vibration of number 8, a number of power, balance, mastering the dance between the material and the spiritual. You may find yourself questioning your relationship with success, with ambition, and with control. Have you been pushing too hard or holding back too much? This is the week to check in with yourself, to ask whether the life you are building is one that nourishes not just your goals, but your soul. Balance doesn't mean doing everything at once. It means knowing when to lean in and when to step back, when to lead and when to listen. Take a moment to reflect. Where in my life am I chasing something but neglecting what truly fulfills me? Where have I been striving for control when surrender is actually needed? This week is not about blind trust. It's about learning to recognize the intelligence of your unfolding. Some things are meant to move quickly. Others require patience. The wisdom is in knowing the difference. So let this week be an exploration rather than a race, a deepening rather than a demand for certainty. You are not lost. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. And from this place, the next step will reveal itself. So breathe, listen, and move forward with trust, not in the process, but in yourself.